Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OPPO Watch X3 and today I'm going to show you how to add the workout to the workout menu on this watch. So let's get started. So first we need to open the workout menu. To do it, you can press the lower button, which is the default shortcut for the workout menu. So if you press it, it should open the workout menu. But if it doesn't work for you, you can always press the crown button, then tap on the workout icon. Now, here we have the list of workouts, and as you can see, there's quite a few of them. But there might be something missing that you want to use, and it's not on the list basically. And you can scroll down, tap on the plus button, find the category of the workout, for example, workout category, and here we have some list of workouts we can add to the list. The grayed out workouts, not the white ones, but the grayed out, are already on the list basically, and the white ones are not on the list and you can add them. So find the workout you would like to add, then tap on it, you will see the message workout added, and the workout will appear right here at the top of the list. You can also remove the workouts from the menu. So basically, if you press and hold on one of the workouts, you open this menu, and then you can tap on the minus icon to remove the workout. So if you don't want to use it anymore, you can always remove it. And to exit the editing menu, you simply tap on the workout again. Okay, and that's how you add the workout to the workout menu on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.